Hello, welcome back to my channel Yerli Adatu. Bagi rekan-rekan teman-teman yang sudah mampir, jangan lupa subscribe, like, comment, dan share. Ada tombol bell notifikasi untuk video saya selanjutnya. Oke. Today, I would like to share with all of you one of the techniques to improve our speaking fluency. Ini satu teknik atau metode yang bisa kita praktekkan sendiri. Caranya gampang, it's very easy. The first thing that you have to do is to find an English reading text. Jadi cari satu teks bahasa Inggris. Perhaps you can start with a very simple one, yang mudah dulu, ya, so that we can gain our confidence. Ya, when we reach our confidence, we can find a more complicated English reading text. Ya, kalau sudah kepercayaan diri sudah mulai naik, bisa kita cari teks yang lebih menantang. Okay? Nah, for today, I would like to show you an English reading text yang sudah saya persiapkan. I have prepared. The text is taken from lingua.com, English reading. So we can gain speaking fluency by reading a text aloud. Jadi kita bisa mendapatkan fluency yang lebih baik, speaking fluency, melalui cara ini. Okay, let's get started. Topiknya ini adalah Washington DC. Jadi yang pertama, langkah pertama adalah you try to find a simple text, simple English text. Kemudian you can take a look at the reading text very carefully, and afterwards you can start reading the text aloud. Reading aloud dalam artian ketika kita mengucapkan kata per kata, untuk setiap kalimat ini bisa terdengar dengan jelas oleh telinga kita, dan kita bisa merasakan pengucapan atau English pronunciation word by word. Ya, kalau kita merasa kurang ataupun kurang pas pengucapannya, kita bisa cek, ya, apakah sudah betul. You can check in your dictionary, your online dictionary, ya. Dan kalau sudah, bisa kembali ke kata tersebut, ya. Okay, let's try out. So, akan saya coba. This is how it works. Jadi sudah saya siapkan satu reading text dari lingua.com English reading. Washington DC. Yesterday, Stephen returned from a trip to Washington DC, the capital of the United States. His visit took place during the week prior to the 4th of July. Logically, there were many activities and celebrations in town in preparation for Independence Day. During his stay in the city, Stephen visited a lot of important historical sites and monuments, and he left with a deeper understanding of the political history of the United States. Stephen spent a lot of time outdoors exploring the important monuments surrounding Capitol Hill. Of course, he saw the White House from its outside gate at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. Stephen also visited the Washington Monument, the Jefferson Memorial, and the Lincoln Memorial. These statues and pavilions are dedicated to former United States presidents. They commemorate the contributions that these leaders made throughout American history. Washington, D.C. also has several war memorials dedicated to fallen soldiers during the major wars of the 20th century. Away from the Capitol Hill area, Washington, D.C. has many museums and art galleries worth visiting. Stephen enjoyed his visit to Washington, D.C. because he learned a lot more about American history after touring each important landmark. Ya, barusan that was the demonstration of how reading aloud took place, dan dari proses ini biasanya satu kalimat kita selesaikan, jadi tidak putus-putus ya. Dan kalau tadi kita sama-sama menyimak, diupayakan penggalannya juga pas, oke? Kemudian kita pastikan setiap kata diucapkan dengan jelas, ya. Seumpama kalau di tengah-tengah kita stumble and fall atau slip of the tongue ataupun keliru mengucapkannya, kita bisa mengulang lagi, ya, sampai kita merasa we gain our fluency. Ya, seumpama yesterday Stephen read, nah ini kita ada stumble and fall di sini, ada terantuk di sini, kita bisa kembali lagi. Yesterday Stephen returned from a trip to Washington D.C. Jadi tidak perlu cepat-cepat. You don't have to do this in a hurry. Take your time sampai kepada satu ritme yang mana teman-teman nyaman, ya. Sekali lagi, kalau masih terantuk, masih terasa belum pas pengucapannya, kita bisa mengulang lagi, ya, mengulang sampai kita merasa, oh ini saya sudah nyaman dengan pengucapan saya dan sudah lancar. So in this method, okay, you can see your own progress. Teman-teman bisa merasakan progres dari pengucapan atau fluency speakingnya. Oke, jadi ini adalah simple text. Teman-teman bisa cari yang kalau ini sudah lancar, ya kita bisa cari English reading text yang more and more challenging. Oke, kita akan ketemu lagi di konten selanjutnya berkaitan dengan ini. Kita akan coba dengan jenis teks yang ini. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you.